Wanted to really quick mention something. Today when I was on my Goldwing, the key-fob battery, replaced battery signal came up on the dash of the bike. The bike tells you when the battery's low. I think Harleys do the same thing, or any bike with a key-fob. They sell batteries, of course, at different places, but I always carry at least 2 of these batteries with me on a trip. So it's a good thing to know what battery your key fob takes and make sure you have that battery with you. These take 2032, so I'm going to pop a new battery in it. I also had the backup remote in my coat, but I'm taking this one with me tomorrow to give to them, and it has the okay, as I was saying, it's a good idea to know what your battery or key fob takes. I ran out of memory on my DJI, so I guess I will be getting the computer up tonight and emptying this. I do have other cards, but I really don't want to go into swapping cards, so I'm going to just copy the files over tonight. But yeah, 2032 for this key fob. Most do take 2032, some take 2025s. But something to think about. It's a good thing to carry. It's a good backup. You never know when your battery's going to die. This is weird. I took the battery out and replaced it. And it has little dents in it. Front and back. I don't really know what the... Not really sure what caused that. Why it's in the remote. It's protected by plastic. That thing's dented to hell. Yeah, weird.